Okay. So what we'll do quickly today is I'll go over how to create the IAM user in just for those who are not familiar with that. Then we'll try and use the IAM user to do exactly what I tried to do yesterday. When we are done with that, we'll go back to S3 buckets and then we'll explore S3 buckets. So we'll explore some 1 or 2 codes today, then probably host our first website front end. Because the RAG we are going to build, we will definitely need a front end for that RAG application. So we'll see if we can create the front end and put it down. So that when we finish the back end part of it, that has to do with the AI model and then the knowledge base and everything. We just connect the back end. We'll finish hopefully next week, Saturday. We'll connect to the front end and then we'll have a full web application. So that's the plan for today. If it sounds good, maybe just put a good in the chat. Okay, okay. Let's wait for maybe 1 or 2 more people to join. So meanwhile, if you have any question, anything that you are trying to your answer already didn't work, let me know.
My first challenge has got to do with the AWS account, and the issue with the billing and getting it to work.
Okay,
Because now
please share your screen.
okay.
Then it means your account has been a lot of problems, right? For almost 2, 3 months now.
Yeah, I reported to them. They keep telling me to go through a process and it still doesn't work. It's really been
Oh,
stressful.
oh, so they didn't respond directly to you in a chat, like a live chat.
No, they sent an email and then a process for me to go through. I think there was an occasion where they called really early in the morning, but I
Yes,
missed the
yes.
call.
Oh, that's the problem.
So yeah, I
That's
realized
the
after that
problem.
they've not called again.
They're like, this guy is not serious with us. Okay, okay. So you share your screen and let me see what you have.
But did you schedule the time with them?
I think he scheduled the time with them. But
I,
when
I
they called him, he was asleep.
I was actually on my way to work, so I missed the call.
Say, but you scheduled that time.
Yeah, maybe that was a mistake.
Mm.
Okay. Wait, so right now this is your console, right?
Yes,
Okay, so what is the problem here? Let me see. Nothing is loading.
yes,
So go to
and
the
it's because
search.
the account hasn't been verified. Come again?
Oh, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay. So when you try to search for like S3
Yeah.
and
Okay.
you click on
So
it. So click on the blue
Click
S3.
on the bucket. The bucket itself.
No, the first one. Yes, click on it.
I'm clicking on it.
Click on the blue name S3. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm, click on the create bucket. I want to see the exact error you're getting.
I should click on which one?
Create
The
bucket
create bucket at the
on
top,
top. On top.
the orange
Okay,
button there.
create bucket. Okay.
Try and were you in class yesterday?
I was in class, but I haven't been too well, so that's how come I was quiet throughout. I
Don't
was
worry.
barely trying. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So you fill in the bucket name. I'm asking because I want to see whether you know the steps to create a bucket. But don't worry, just fill it and let's do it together.
Likely.
Come again?
Okay.
So that's the
So
name.
you leave the default settings, yeah.
Okay.
Click on create
So
bucket. I want to see something.
Your name.
it must not contain uppercase characters.
Yes, so edit that all the uppercase characters. And even the underscore, remove it. Yeah, let's try this. Okay, they say the
Look
same
at it.
names. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
the name
add
already
some,
exists.
yeah, add something more to it.
That is what I was.
Add
What?
something more to it. Yeah. Don't see any red error. So it
No.
looks like you are good. So
Okay,
go
but
to buckets. You don't worry, go to buckets. Let's put the bats aside first. Click on buckets. Yeah. No, buckets. Go to the top. Yeah, buckets. Okay, open it up.
I
So
should
click on the
okay.
blue, the new bucket. Try and upload something from your laptop to it. Let me see. Click on the add file. Mhm. So I think maybe they activated it for you, but you don't know.
So maybe they were calling for confirmation.
Yeah. So
Have you
let's
visited?
because
Have you
S3 is
visited
working.
here uh, after the call?
S3 is working. So let's
Have
check
I
the upload. Don't worry, you
Like
just upload something. It can be anything, F doc, PDF, anything. And scroll down and click on upload. Yes. I hope that's not a confidential document. Is it confidential?
it is.
Hey. Because we are going to lose something with it. That's why yeah,
Let's go.
please
Okay, let's go.
delete it. If it's confidential, delete it and upload something else.
Okay.
So close that green bar. Close it. Okay. So right now, okay. Go back. Yes,
Using the arrow key.
yes, to do. Okay, so
So,
select that object. Select the object.
okay.
Okay. Now go to actions. The delete is even there, directly there. Like the fourth button or fifth button or so. Delete. In between the open and actions.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, there's a delete button here.
Scroll down. Then just type permanently delete.
But
That's what
I believe this is a way of telling you that you will not see your but it doesn't mean that it is not existing anymore.
Are you asking a question?
Like if you delete anything on the server,
Okay, so right now we are not on the server, we are on S3 buckets. So we are on the Amazon Simple Storage Service. That's what we call the S3. So, okay, there's a
Failed to
good.
delete.
No,
Oh, okay, no,
it's
that is
gone. It's
deleted.
gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone. But there's something else I thought he was asking about. Kobia was asking about. That one has to do with versioning.
Fobia,
If you
Fobia
enable versioning,
wanted to say that, or wanted to find out if there can be traces of it in the S3 bucket.
if you enable versioning, that's what I was about to mention. If you enable versioning, then when you delete it doesn't really delete, but it leaves like a shadow copy there. But on this current bucket, we've not enabled that. So we can be sure it's gone because we are not versioning the thing. Okay, so please upload something that is user-friendly.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
is it not connected to a server now?
No, we are not. How do I say it? We are not on a server, like we are not using their server services. When you say server, I hope you mean computer, right?
Yeah.
We are not on the computer. Compute services are the EC2. So right now we are on the storage service. So the storage service, we treat them like just like the way you treat a pen drive. So we may not refer to a pen drive as a server, right? I don't know whether you get what I'm saying. Definitely underline it. There's a machine somewhere, a computer somewhere, but
Very good. That
usually,
is where I am talking from, not the as now the server. If you install EC2 here, it's a service, right?
EC2 is, yes.
It's a service sitting on another machine.
The EC2 is a visualization of the server. So it's like the
Okay,
real server that you want to use.
okay. Now what I mean is that
Mhm.
this whole thing that he is doing now, if I don't want to use internet, means that I can also install VMware on my physical machine, right?
Okay.
Then on that VMware, I will populate maybe Windows machine, Linux machine on the VMware.
Yes, that is how the
So
EC2 works.
now, if we create the EC2, it means that it is on the VMware. In physical look, it's on the VMware. But I'm saying that if we delete anything from the VMware, right? If you delete anything from the VMware, for example, if I delete the Windows machine, it means that on a VMware, I'm not going to see the Windows machine again. But that delete is sitting on my physical machine.
Okay, so let me try to clarify what you are saying. So in the first place, okay, do you know Google Drive?
Yes.
Good. So S3 works like Google Drive. The way we are using right now is working like Google Drive.
Yeah.
I may not call Google Drive a server. Like I'm just trying to clarify the terms we are using here. So we may not refer to Google Drive as a server. Do you get it?
Yeah.
We just call it a storage service. So that's how S3 bucket works. But when you're talking about service, then our idea or mind should rather go to the EC2 service, not S3 bucket.
Okay. So that is when we are working on the cloud. But equally, same when maybe someone is watching something on Netflix, right?
Yes, go ahead. I'm listening to you.
So the app also sits on somewhere. Then you will be watching as a client.
Yeah, that's the application, the software, yeah.
Assuming maybe you have pinned something or you've saved some of this information.
Mhm.
You are assuming you've pinned it, so you are assuming that maybe it's on your memory. So if you clear your memory, it's not there. But definitely, you've not cleared it from the source.
So do you mean, okay, you are thinking in terms of security?
No, in terms of in terms of server administration, because like the same thing that we are doing as cloud, the difference is that when you are connected to cloud services, you need internet, right?
Okay, wait. I don't want that to complicate this one.
Uh-huh.
So let's say
You
if I
need-
store a picture on my hard disk or my laptop
yes,
and I delete the picture, I
yes,
delete it, I permanently delete it.
yes. It
I
is
can
still
say it is, no, please hold on. I can say it is gone, right?
yes.
A forensic engineer will tell me it is, they can recover it from my.
That is where I'm coming from.
Oh, then that one is we are just going to find the hardware stuff, sort of stuff. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't want us to go there.
Okay.
That's like we have going too far. Yeah. So it is not recoverable. So everybody should know that if you delete from S3 bucket, it is gone. You can't get it again.
Yeah, because like
We
saying this because
we
if
don't
you
have a
install,
forensic team over here who go and try to recover it. No.
Yeah, I'm saying this because if you install a Windows server, if you are using Windows 7, you can even delete a user, but you will not see a bin on the server, and that user to, like, when he tries to create the new bucket, you see it. He was told that someone is using it. You can't reuse that name again, but there are areas you can also trace and go to know that it is still sitting there. That was where I was coming from.
Okay, I think that's like a forensic stuff. But the reason why S3 buckets you cannot even use the name is even a different reason. The reason is that these buckets, we host them with a URL, right? Like, let me just say with an address.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you have already pointed one object with a separate particular address, you cannot have two different buckets using the same address. So that's just the reason why. Because we will learn later on that if you want to even host a website, the name you give to the bucket will be used as the name of the website in quotes. So if one person has already used a particular bucket name, you don't expect two different websites to have the same URL. It doesn't happen, right? So to
Yeah.
avoid that collision, that's why AWS prevents people from like using a name that's already existing. So that's even a different thing altogether. Okay,
So,
but don't worry, let's not go too much into those details.
so at the back of the URL, is there an IP?
Definitely, because
Good.
URLs are
So that
linked
means
with IP addresses.
it's due to IP conflict. That's the reason why we are unable to use same name for different buckets.
Okay, so we'll continue. I get your point. Yeah. I don't want to confuse anyone in the call. That's why I don't want to go too far. Okay, thank you very much for your contribution. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. So currently you have uploaded the file, right?
Yes.
Okay, please scroll downwards. But if you go and bring those things, someone will run away from this class and they never come back. Okay, click on upload. Yeah. Merci beaucoup. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, so guys, we are not doing anything new today. We are just going over all that we did yesterday, right? To make sure that we are a little more familiar with the service S3 that we are using. And you even saw yesterday that we were able to use this service in creating a knowledge base for ourselves. So I thought it wise to just go over this service and find other things or other use cases for this particular service called S3 buckets. So we mentioned yesterday some few facts about S3 buckets, that we have different categories of S3, right? They just function like a Google Drive. We can use S3 bucket to store your normal pictures, normal pictures like your wedding pictures, your engagement pictures, photo shoots. You can just upload everything to S3. So this is like one of the most beginner-friendly services on AWS. So one of the first services that you actually introduced to, and you can start using immediately like a professional, is S3. So all those of you who've created your AWS accounts, I want you guys to explore this service more and find out all the crevices in this service. Every corner of this service, you must know about it. Okay, so Daniel has just uploaded a PDF file to his S3 bucket. We are trying to brainstorm today whether he can give us access to this file. So we are going to find out whether it's possible. Yesterday, what we saw was that after uploading it, okay, I think it's uploaded, right? So just go
Yes.
back. I shared a certain URL that points to the file. That URL is used something we call the pre-signed. Pre-signed just means that the owner of the file has given permission, temporary permission, for you to be able to open the file. Under normal circumstance, S3 buckets, no matter what you upload or if you upload anything to the bucket, it is private. It is not public. Everything by default that you put in a bucket, nobody can hack it and find out what is inside. But when you share a pre-signed URL to a file in your bucket, that one you have opened up access to the whole world or whoever you are sharing that URL or that link with. When I say URL, I just mean a link. So you can create a link we call pre-signed URL. And when you give anybody that link, no matter how private your bucket is, that file will open on the person's browser. And I did that demonstration yesterday. But today, we don't want to use that pre-signed URL. We want to find ways of giving public access. Maybe this is a bucket that you have just uploaded. Maybe let's say he's creating this bucket. He wants to share this particular PDF with all the workers in his office, right? He doesn't want to use Google Drive. He wants to use S3 buckets. So he has uploaded the file to the S3 bucket. How does he give all the workers access to this file? We want to, at the end of the day, share a link to this file. As soon as you open the link on your computer, the file just opens and you can download it straight away. Okay, awesome. Any questions before we continue?
As you share the class lessons with us, right?
Please come again. I want to understand that.
Saying that the demonstration you just said, like
Yes.
yesterday, you shared the lessons with us.
Okay. That's the link, right?
Yeah.
Good, good. It's an ethical example. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, great. So please go back. Daniel, go back.
When you say go back, you mean the arrow?
back arrow. Yes, the back arrow. Okay. Nice. Now we have the object sitting there. Now select the object.
So, Shad,
Yes.
please, good evening again.
Evening.
So the link that is shared, like to Daniel's office mates,
Okay.
they don't need to have any connection to AWS, right? Once it's
They
shared,
don't.
they can open directly and get the file from S3
Exactly.
bucket. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. So
Uh,
they can even check it, open it on their phone or on a laptop, any device, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Does it
Okay.
have size limitations?
Okay, yes. Those are one of the facts we spoke about. So the maximum size of a single file is 5 terabytes. And I don't know any file, I don't know any file size you may want to upload, which is even if it's a movie. I don't know any single movie which will be 5
5
terabytes.
terabytes.
Yes. But the number of files you can upload to an S3 bucket, one S3 bucket, it is unlimited. So you just
And
imagine
all
that.
these are free services.
We looked at the pricing yesterday too and realized they are not free. But the price is quite reasonable, right? Those of you
Yeah.
who saw it yesterday, like 0.
And the more the
Mhm.
more the documents, the
The
lesser
lower
the price.
the lesser the price, yeah.
Yeah, so
If they
what
know
I
how to
wanted
make
to
money.
understand is, sometimes when you want to send a file to someone through normal Google email and it's big, you use the drive to send it and they can open it. So this one, what I wanted to understand it, now we can upload 5 here, 5 terabytes here. And if you send it, would the person be able to open it? I don't know if
Yes.
my question is clear.
Okay. So I think the only reason to answer it is to further finish this demo.
Okay.
Yes, when we finish the demo, we'll see whether it's possible or not possible.
All
But
right.
let's say if you have uploaded a file that is like almost 5 terabytes, and you get the link and you share it to anyone, they can open it. Yeah.
Okay, that's the question.
Yeah. They can open it or
As
they have access to it.
you able to download it depends on your storage.
Yeah, that one also depends on whether you have the capacity to download. Yeah. Okay, so right now we've uploaded it. We've uploaded the file. It is there.
yeah, you asked to select it. You mean by checking it, right?
Yes, you've checked it, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now, before you even do anything else, you see the URL over there. Copy that URL for us. Put it in the chat right now for us. No. The
Okay.
copy URL. Yeah. So you have copied the object's URL. That's like the object's link.
Okay.
Give it to us in the Zoom chat.
Okay.
Let's see whether we can access it. Okay, team, let's open it and see whether we can access that file. For me, I'm being denied access. I don't know what about you.
I seen error.
They are saying the file does not appear to have any blah 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 blah. Okay. The error, the message there is access denied, right?
This XML file does not appear to have any SAR information associated with it. The
Okay.
document,
So read the error message below it.
the error message, code access denied.
Access denied. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
So we don't have access to it. Now, so that's what I meant by if you upload something to the S3 bucket, by default, it is denied. It denies access to anyone. So this gives you an assurance that you are safe. If you upload your private documents to S3, you are guaranteed of safety or security. And AWS is the one that deals with protecting these files for you. Okay. Now, go to the permissions tab. The permissions tab.
Permission.
Yes. So right now we are going to release some of the permissions. The permissions are too strict. Now, let's look at the first thing over there. What's the first thing you see?
So the first one, it says block public access bucket settings, edit.
Good. So the block public access. So what does this mean? It means that by default, when we're creating a bucket, I didn't make you change any of the settings. So this is like a default setting. It is, when we say default, that is how they've configured it. If you don't change it, it will behave like this. So the natural behavior or the original or the way they still default. The default behavior is, it is AWS will just select this for you. If you don't choose allow, it will just block public access. And that's a good news, or that's good news for us. So now let's try to relieve it of this strict permission. So click on edit. And then you want to do the thing that they will advise us not to do. You will uncheck it.
Block public access to.
Yes, we have removed the
first
block.
one.
Yes, we have removed the block.
Take that, the first.
No, we have removed it. We don't want to take it. We want to remove it.
Okay.
So click on save changes. Okay, and this is something that they don't want you to do, right? So right now, they want you to be very sure that, are you sure you want to make the things in your bucket available to the public? Then you just type confirm. Confirm. Good.
So they make you type because they want to get assurance that you are conscious about what you are doing.
Yes, you are conscious about what you're doing. Not that it's by mistake. Someone tell you, I don't know what happened. Okay, now let's go back to the object again. Go back to your buckets. And let's check whether the URL is working now. Select the object and give us the URL. Okay, see the URL is still the same. So guys, let's check whether the URL is working now.
If you use that same URL.
It's the same URL, yeah. Let's all click on it again. Do we have access?
No.
What happened? But we've unblocked it. It means that something else needs to be done. Okay, so this is what we call defense in depth. Someone may call it defense in depth. Defense in depth means that you don't just use one way of what? Protecting an object, right?
Layers of security.
Layers of security. So blocking public access is one, but there's also another layer we have to fix. So let's go back to the permissions again and check what we need to change again. Okay, voila. There's something here called bucket policy. Now, this is also a security stuff, right? So the policy tells or dictates what can be done and what cannot be done. Or it describes the permissions and the permissions, number one, associated with the bucket itself, and also even the objects that are stored in the bucket. Then one last thing we call the principal. That is, we can even decide who can even access this bucket. So number one, we can decide whether we'll make the bucket accessible to the public, or we'll make some objects or all objects accessible. Or the last one is even who should even access the bucket. The policy can describe all these three things. So I can give you access to the bucket, and I can still deny you from accessing some of the things inside the bucket. You may access some, but not all, right? So this is where we talk about policy. Don't worry, I'm not going to let you write any policy yourself. I'll let ChatGPT do all of the work, right? So just open a new tab.
Okay.
And if we write the policy in a language we call JSON or in a format we call JSON, and we'll see JSON very soon. So just open a new tab and just type ChatGPT. Oh, you've been using my friend. I call him Prof.
Okay. So new chat. Okay.
So, oh, you've been debugging too. That's nice. So just type, I need an S3 bucket policy. Which will enable me to share is that the right word? See, ChatGPT to understand. If you really make a mistake, it will understand.
Yeah.
But let's continue. It enable me to share the content of my S3 buckets, right, to anyone, or to share it with anyone. Yeah, enable me to share the contents of my S3 bucket with anyone. You can say it this way, or you can just say it will allow access to all the contents in my S3 buckets. So this is like a permissive policy that we are looking for with anyone or with everyone. Yeah, with the public. Okay, hit enter. Let me see the policy it gives us. If it's good, we are good to go. We'll just use it. We just copy and paste. And currently, this is how most of the developers are working, right? Developers and cloud engineers and what have you. They don't write these things. They'll just let the AI write it. If they have to edit it, they'll just edit it. Okay, so this is the policy is giving us. Now the version, let's look at it carefully. The version is nothing about, maybe you can just use the date to create that, to just write there. No, don't scroll. Just, the policy is what you are seeing there. Why, you thought the policy is something else. That ugly thing you see there, that's the policy. Okay. So the version is what? 2012, 10, 17. That thing, you can write anything in that quotation symbol. It doesn't matter. What matters most are the things in the statement. In the
Okay.
statement, yeah, the square brackets. Okay, so the statement is what actually tells us exactly what this policy is doing. So the identifier to the SID to, don't worry too much about it. Okay. Now we go to the effect. Now the effect that this policy will have on the bucket is that it will allow. Now the principle you see there is who. It's answering the question who. Now whenever you are writing any programming script, or you see this in a programming script, that star over there, we call it the wildcard character. Why are we calling it the wildcard? Wild because if a dog is wild, it wants to bite anyone it sees, right? So this policy, we are making it wild so that it applies to everyone. So the effect is allow. Which principle do we want to allow? Everyone. Good. The next one is the action. The action is, okay, you want to allow the effect is you want to allow principle is everyone to do what? That's what the action is. To do what? So the action will tell us what you can do. And the action over there is S3 get objects. In the world of programming again, or database or whatever, APIs, when you hear the word get, it just means ability to access or read from, right? We have the get, we have the put, we have the post, we have the patch. Get is to read. Post means to send to, right? And then the patch means to update. The put also means to create a new. Yeah, it's also almost like the post. The put and post almost like the same thing. But right now, all that we want to focus on is that we want to give access to people to read the content. That's why we are using the get object. Finally, the last one. The resource just talks about the name of your bucket. The name of the bucket or the name of the exact thing you want to give access to. Look at it carefully. The ARN, the AWS S3, forget about all of those things. It just means S3 buckets. But after you type all of that, we have to edit and put in the actual bucket name at where they have written your bucket name.
Okay.
Good. But do you notice something interesting after the bucket name? There's a slash. And there's another thing, the star. Who can tell me what that star is doing? For $1.
That's star.
The wildcard.
Have access.
Please, I'm coming. If you don't get it correct, you pay me $1. So let's play this game.
The star means all to have access.
It's a nice game, right? The star means for all to have access.
Yeah, or permission to all.
You are close, so you pay 50 cents. Next one, who will try?
Yeah, afraid.
Oh,
So
Okay.
we established that the star there is the wild card, right? So I think it's
yes.
the same application here.
Okay.
So it means that's anyone and anything.
Hold on. Let me give you the hint again. Effect
Let me
is
come.
allow. Principal is whom. Action is to do what?
Okay, all
So the
resources in
resources,
this
all
particular
resources,
link. All resources in
all
this particular
resources,
link.
yeah,
All resources where?
In this
within the
particular
bucket.
link.
The all
Awesome.
resources
In this
that
particular bucket.
will access the name.
Don't
Everybody
worry.
that will access the name should have everything within the bucket.
So all resources within the bucket, right? So it means the
Yeah,
bucket
Yeah.
star,
yeah,
the
within
bucket
that
name
particular
star means
bucket.
everything in the bucket.
The
Good.
bucket
Yeah.
Don't
is
worry.
open.
Don't worry. You all get 10 cents, but the way that the charges on the way will make it go get to zero. So don't worry.
Oh.
Okay. So please copy this policy for us. Let's go and edit it. Yeah. Let's go back to S3. Okay, just click on edit and then you paste it. Good. Paste it here. So we said we'll change something, right? The bucket name. What's the
Yeah.
bucket name? It's up there. I can see it up there. So just highlight and copy it.
Okay.
In bucket
Yeah.
2026.
If you can highlight and copy it. No, you're
Okay.
copying the link
No.
address.
Yeah.
It doesn't want to highlight, then you have to type.
Shad, is it not the bucket ARN that is giving us ability to copy over there at the top left?
Oh, yeah, I think in that one you can even copy. Yeah, you can even copy replace the whole line. But if you can just also simply just type the name inside there. Yeah, it's the same thing here. Okay, good. Do you have to edit any other
Yeah,
thing?
I could have copied from the ARN.
Yeah. Then you paste that whole side again. Okay, good. But I think we are good to go. So I don't think we have to change any other thing. We are fine. So go and click on save.
There is add statement down there, or that one
No,
is adding more.
Yes, to add more. So I think this one is okay. Okay, my people, let's go and check whether we still have access. Let's all go back to our link.
Yes,
You have
I
access
have
now.
access.
You have access now.
Yes.
Wow. So that is it.
Yeah.
So if you have 500 students, you want to share a PDF with them, this is one way by which you can do it.
Interesting.
You upload S3, I can give them the link, they can all download it. I hope you can all download it, right?
Yes.
For me, I've downloaded it fast before the guy changed his mind. Okay, I'll go and read it. Any questions?
Mine is trying to open. Yeah, Handbook for Public Health Energy Operations and Project Management. Okay, wonderful. Thank you for sharing this book.
Okay, any questions? So you can do this to your pictures, you can do this to anything at all. It will work.
So between this and then GitHub,
Mhm.
in terms of giving people access, which one would you recommend?
You want to use GitHub to share your, well, see, any of them works, but GitHub, of course, is free, right? It's
Yeah.
100% free.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's also take records on that.
It'll track it for you.
Does he have the securities that this S3 have?
That's another question to ask. Because with S3, as I said, do you see how granular you can go? Granular means like how specific you can be about how you are giving access to the file. So even with this kind of principal thing, we can even limit who has access. So maybe the
So
access
that
control
was the
is
question I
tighter.
wanted to ask. Assuming he wanted to give only Kobia and Shadrach access, or only Shadrach and myself access, how would the code look like?
So you just
Or
change the
maybe we
principal.
have to go to the previous settings.
No,
Can we try that one too?
So do you
in
use the
the-
principal over there?
so in the AI prompt, you state that you want to give it to Sam, or you change the prompt that
Yes. So
there should be limitation to.
But Shadrach wanted to say something about principal.
yes. Now, who has an IAM user here? Who
Myself.
Have.
Okay. So we can just copy your IAM user. Okay. Your ID together with your username. And we'll place that where the principal is. And you'll be the only one to access this file.
Yeah.
Yeah, so assuming the person doesn't have any account on AWS, what
Then
happens?
you will not have access.
That's what I wanted to.
Oh,
That's
okay,
what
okay.
Because like me, from the point of view, the IAM ID, it is created on the AWS service, right? So it means that is what it knows. Any other number, no. So if you don't have AWS account too, you will not have the IAM number.
So in that case, we want to give you what we call the pre-signed URL. So in that the case whereby we will use the pre-signed URL. Does it make sense?
Then security on the cloud is something else. So.
Tell me about it.
If I give you the pre-sign, it means that you will not pass through any checks.
Yes.
And I may not have the records that who have access or something of that sort. And even if that document is shared to a third party, I will not have those records.
So with the pre-signed URL, one thing is about it is that it is timed. You can apply a time to it.
Yeah,
let's try and see that. Let's try and see that.
I'm trying to link the question that Daniel asked, like this,
okay,
and GitHub.
Okay.
From the security point of view, whoever accessed this particular document, for example, I have downloaded it. If I give it to a third party, there's no Daniel will not see that I've shared it with another party, right?
Yes.
He will not see.
Yes.
But on GitHub, if I do that, can I still trace it as to where the document have reached?
You see, GitHub is also like you can use it just for storage. So the person can still be on GitHub, can still download it. When you finish downloading, you can still share with someone else.
Okay, I think I got the answer now. That's why we set security policies are there and compliance policies.
Yes. So, but
Because
with
there are some things-
AWS, you can do that. But GitHub is just either public or private. There's not like a granular permissions that you give to it, files and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's check out the pre-signed URL, how to create it. It's very simple. So I think I showed you something yesterday, but let's look at the proper way to create it. Okay. So go back to your bucket again. So click on it. You see there's buckets over there in the middle at the top there. You see Amazon S3. Click on that. So open your bucket, new bucket. Then check on the file. Select the file there. Then go to actions. Sometimes they change the position of things. Actions is like the last. Yeah, that one. Okay, so you see that they've written share with pre-signed URL. So click on that one. The second thing. Okay, so right now you can choose expiry for this URL. Right? So this another layer of security you can add so that this URL is not like the link you share with us right now. This one needs to expire. After that, a certain number of minutes, if you open it, it will open again. And there's a way, so let's create one with just 1 minute so that we can easily test it.
Oh, 1 minute.
Yeah, and then we create it and let's see.
Okay, so
Okay.
copy the URL and send.
Yeah.
No, hold on, hold on, hold on. When you did it, you don't want to go to actions again. I should have made you paste before. So this URL is not pre-signed. So let's create another one. You don't worry. Go to share with pre-signed URL. Yes, just give you 1 minute. So look at the message down there. After you create a pre-signed URL, it's automatically copied to your clipboard. So it's already at the tip of the mouse pointer. So click on create. Sometimes you click on the create,
Please
the
sign
URL,
your.
yes, create it. Now the URL is already on the mouse. So
Ah, yeah.
go to the chat and paste it for us. Do you see it has come? And preset URLs, you see that they are always very, very long.
Yeah.
So let's all click on it right now. It will work.
It's opening.
Yes, but we'll wait for 1 minute to pass by and we'll click on it again. And we'll see whether it will open. So whilst we are waiting, any questions? We'll do one last thing, then we will end and close there. We'll draw down the curtain. We'll create a simple website and we'll host the website in an S3 bucket. That's all. Some of you,
Okay.
this is beginner stuff for you, but some of you too, you have never tried it before. So let me let all of you be on the same level.
Okay, so for an individual like myself, I want to have a basic website for my, you know, career, just to create a visibility for myself. I want everything free. I can do everything and then have it in my S3 bucket without having to pay for.
Yes, but that's the link to your profile may not have like
Yeah.
www.copia.com. Because if you want something that is really, really close to that, the other platforms you can host your website for free. Maybe I'll teach you guys all of those stuff here.
Yes, you promised we were going to have a website.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah,
And then you
yeah.
promised LinkedIn.
Yes, yes, yes. We'll do that. We'll do optimization. Remind me of all my promises. Okay, awesome.
another promise and on the resource, Udacity resource.
The university, didn't I share the link with you guys?
No, like on the training, you see the services that you learn,
Yes.
those services they want you to practice.
Okay.
And that is what the term as resource. So you go
Okay,
there.
okay, yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. So I think we just started yesterday. We're looking at Bedrock, knowledge base. So we'll be
Yeah.
doing more of that. So next week, my quota will be approved, and then I can do that demo with
Okay,
you
I
guys.
think
Yeah,
that 1 minute is passed and is denied.
it's denied. Let's all check it and see. Yeah, it's not opening again, right?
Yeah.
The link is not working again. So that's how
Yeah,
pre-signed.
it's still working for me. Oh.
Just refresh. You just refresh and
Reload.
see. Reload or refresh.
I should
You see,
reload our page, our Zoom page or what?
The link, the link.
no, the link that you are looking at.
The link that you used to open the.
Okay, he put a link in the chat, a new link. Did you open that new one?
Yeah.
Try opening it
That's
again.
what that's what
Copy it
I
and paste
opened.
again. Copy it and paste it again and see whether it will open.
Okay, let me come. Okay. Okay. It has denied now.
Yes. Yes. Okay, awesome. So let's try and create our simple website and then we are out of here. So where will we go to typically? To create a website, where should we go to? We can create it with Claude AI, we can create it with ChatGPT. Open Claude AI. Let's use Claude AI. Claude AI it will create your website automatically for you. And you can download
Okay.
it straight away. The ChatGPT downloading it will be some way. So please
Sorry.
maximize your screen, okay? Or have you already maximized it? Let me check. Maybe it's my end. Okay, I just have to
Sorry.
double click. Yeah. Don't worry, you continue. Yes. If it's not full screen, just double click. No, you are fine. It's not my fault. Don't worry. So open a new tab
Okay.
and type Claude AI. Claude, Claude.
Sorry.
So Claude. Have you ever used Claude before? Claud.
Yeah, I have.
No, not this one.
He's my prof.
This is your profile. Okay, good. Claude AI, this
Said
one
that
here.
it has time limit.
Why you are not on the paid version, right?
I'm on the free version.
Yeah, the
Okay.
free version is frustrating sometimes.
Okay. So create a website. What you were trying to describe to me. Maybe continue with Google will be better.
So, Daniel, is this paid or free?
It's free.
Okay.
It's intelligent that ChatGPT.
Are you sure?
Really?
Yes,
Oh,
Sometimes I feel it
They
depends on what
all have
exactly
their
you're doing.
speciality. So
Yeah, they all have
Oh,
their
God has his
that,
speciality, chat has his speciality. So
okay. This uh, what is more of coding and stuff.
it's for building apps. Like you want to really
Mm.
build an app quickly.
Because
and
I was doing
reports.
something like that. What ChatGPT was giving me, it can give me instruction and tell me that if you don't do this, then it's your fault.
Okay, let's try it and see. So just describe the website you want. And let's go and put it on S3 buckets and then host it.
Is Daniel a doctor?
uh
Daniel, you're a doctor, eh?
Which kind of doctor? I ask a medical doctor or book
Medical
doctor?
doctor, yes.
exactly.
Okay, that's why, because your terms are big, big. Oh.
They can write, they can write and give it to you, and still you cannot read.
You are on free and you want to create an advanced this thing. Uh, One day
It's
the AI will just
looking
tell the master, you are an advanced electronic, please pay. Tell me, please pay. But I really like the way they built Claude. It's very interesting.
Yeah.
Looks like this will take a while.
You'll be done very soon.
This
It will
one
come
is
once
going for
after
advanced.
thinking.
Creating the epidemiologist portfolio. Thinking of.
So I think today I was trying to create some slides with it, and it was really fast. Okay, for me, I'm
Oh,
on the paid
Claude,
version.
really?
Yes, I'm on the paid version. So, but it
So
was
should
really.
I stop my ChatGPT paid and start using Claude paid?
I will advise you. I will
Yes, yes,
advise
yes.
you.
Really?
I will
Yeah.
really advise you. It's Claude does magic, you know.
I think
Interesting.
what
Okay.
Claude 1 month is plus tax $24.
Okay,
And
I think I
ChatGPT is $20, but
I pay $16 or am I wrong? Maybe the charges on maybe plus charge tax will go to 20, yeah. But I have a dollar card, so
what about my profile? ChatGPT has. I enjoy working it because I feel ChatGPT knows everything about me,
that is also another thing, right?
and then my style of writing because I do a lot of writing. So migrating to Claude, but I think there should be a way for you to upload your prompts, everything, and give it to Claude to pick up from.
Maybe you can tell ChatGPT to give you that. Like you want to
Yeah.
you want to now start using Claude and you want it to summarize your writing style or something of that sort. Maybe give
Okay.
you a full description of who you are, your writing like a summary. And then you can try passing it to Claude and see whether it will understand.
I think I'll try that.
But right now, Claude knows me too much. One day Claude will open a Zoom meeting and begin to teach you guys for me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And that thing, it is very interesting when you ask ChatGPT, if you like those who use ChatGPT, and if you just ask the AI, like describe who I am, like describe myself, and show me like my potential, my weakness, the things that I can do that will make me gain like profit or loss, and you'll be surprised what will come out. The areas that you should focus on, the technologies that you have to learn, the stuff you have to pay attention to, you will just be surprised.
Interesting.
It will give
Think
you
it's
business.
done now. Should I
Okay,
download
sure.
the?
Yes, just go to download. Okay. Now, if you don't like this code and you want ChatGPT to edit the code for you, ChatGPT can do that, right?
Okay. So I think based on my profile about ChatGPT, can I ask ChatGPT to improve on this code?
Yes, you can do
Yes.
that.
Yeah,
You have to
let's
download
do
it
that.
first. So, okay, good. I want to show you something. You go to where the file is located on your computer. Go to your downloads.
Yeah. On my computer, you mean I was
Yes.
going to upload it to ChatGPT.
No, don't
Okay.
worry. Do not even upload it. I know why.
Okay.
Yes, let's just go look at the file itself. I want to show you something quick.
Oh, it's
I
supposed
think
to be my downloads. So
uh
see. It's here.
click
So
on the folder icon. Click on the folder icon. No, go back and click on the folder icon. See the way this guy has designed the thing like a website
Open,
professional.
open the file in the folder. Yeah,
Yeah, click on
yeah.
it.
Click it.
A certain folder will appear there, small folder. Yeah,
Yeah.
that one.
yeah.
Click on it. Yeah. Yeah, click on it. Have you seen where
Yes.
it is?
Yeah.
Have you seen
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Okay, we can't see it from here unless you share entire screen.
Okay.
That's
So
if you don't have anything sensitive on your machine.
okay. So let me share the screen with you.
Yeah, if you are comfortable doing that.
Yeah, that's fine. Um, trying to enlarge the call so I can. Okay.
Hey. Oh, I guess we are all tired. Let me try and wrap up this quickly.
Oh, I don't know, but I'm actually enjoying the class. So
Are you able to share the entire screen? Oh, good, good, good. Yeah. So now right click on this file
Okay.
and go to edit in Notepad. Edit in Notepad.
Down
Notepad
there.
one.
I've clicked on it.
Right click again.
Edit in Notepad.
Yeah, it's down there. When you right click.
I've done that though. You still can see.
We
The
can't see your
No.
You
Notepad.
can't see the Notepad.
Oh, really? Because I've actually opened the Notepad.
I think
I
you have
don't
to
know if I have to
reshare.
And
share
then maybe
again.
you have to share it with us then.
Share your screen again.
Okay.
Yeah. Reshare your screen again. I know some of you don't like seeing code, but I'll let you see code.
You can see now.
Okay, so
Yes.
this is the raw code, right? Now you
Yeah.
can copy all of this raw code instead of there's a reason why I'm doing this. You just copy the raw code, Control A.
Okay.
Use Control A on your keyboard, Control C to copy. Then now go to
Okay.
ChatGPT and go and paste it there, the raw code. Are you in ChatGPT now?
Yes.
We are still seeing your notepad.
Sorry.
I think the sharing, do you share the entire screen or you just share a window?
I did share.
So you have to select entire screen. Yeah. So you can give the raw code to ChatGPT and ask it to do whatever improvements you need to do. Then when you finish, whatever code it gives you, you copy it and come and paste it over what you copied. Or you just clear everything from it and just paste the new code there.
You can see my ChatGPT screen now.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
So did you just do a direct paste, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. Now add your prompts, yeah. What you wanted to add. My guy, seriously, AI has really come to help a lot.
It's really made learning and working like
Super fast and easy, right?
yeah, very easy.
Then they have to reduce your pay. Oh.
No. It's only making me more efficient so I can do better.
Yeah, you are trying to defend. Okay, nobody touches your pay, right? Okay,
No.
based
They need to
yeah,
increase it.
yeah, they need to increase. You can buy the pay, you will be paid for the paid version. Based
Exactly.
on my profile. Okay, good prompt. Improve on the look and content, right? You want to improve on the look and content.
Okay.
And definitely to do that in code for you and content.
This should be okay.
Sometimes you know what I do? I tell it make it look like a $5,000 website,
Okay.
and I'll give it more work to do. But you're on a free version, so it may refuse to do that.
This is actually a paid version.
It's paid. Okay, good. That's paid. Okay, so let's see what it gave you. So it is already looking at the faults. Say the design is world class, but the content is not.
Yeah.
Okay, so scroll down and let's look at the code. Are you scrolling down? Okay, good. I think it should be done. Good. Okay, it's still generating.
It's done now.
So you
It's
place
ready.
this.
Okay, update your stuff.
And it's just giving you the thing in pieces. Tell it that I want the full code. Tell it I want the full code. It's just giving you pieces. Pieces to go and copy
Okay.
and paste.
I'm
Tell it that
sure
I
it will
want.
share it down there finally.
It didn't.
At the final one.
It didn't. So just tell it, give me the full code. No. Just say give me the full code. So I've been going too far.
Okay.
Okay, sure, you've already typed the full code. But I like the way the inference of ChatGPT is very fast. Inference is like the way it spaces out outputs.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very, very fast. Okay, still generating. Anyone with any question apart from this or around this? Okay, I think this is what ChatGPT has done that has now improved its usage. You see, Claude always shows you after it generates the code. But previously, ChatGPT didn't have that feature. But right now, I think they have the preview feature whereby you can click on that and see the website. Okay, that's cool. In a long time, I came to ChatGPT.
Now that I know that's what you use, I would also go there. It means that it's good. Coming from you, it means yes.
Yeah. Claude is solid. And I basically use it for developing applications, their APIs.
I see.
And
But
it's
you know,
good as well.
ChatGPT has this codex thing in there. What do you think about it?
Also great,
I think
also great, also great. I think I have one guy who uses it a lot and he does well with it. It can understand your code base in Visual Studio and it is fantastic. Yeah. So I recommend that also. The long code, right?
yeah, still not done.
By the time it's finished, we are all sleeping. Okay.
The exams preparation.
Mhm.
What's the way forward? Or you expect us to by now be jotting things down?
No,
Or
no,
there'll be
no.
a time for us to
I'm going to
actually.
share. I'm going to share. I think I was going to share that files to you. I think it has escaped me. So I'll share all the 8 web files with you. I've prepared them in such a way that it captures all the things that you need for the exam, right?
Okay.
And there are questions too that I'll be walking you guys through. So maybe in 2 weeks' time, from what we'll be just doing is I'll just bring the questions to class. We'll answer them together. So we do about 2 or 3 together, then the rest I hand them over to you.
So
Okay.
when would you suggest we write the exam?
After a month, you should be okay.
So like May ending
Yes. So let's say June.
or June?
June is fine. Yeah. So after some Kong study in May, June you should be ready. Or Kong revision in May, June you should be ready.
But yesterday you were mentioning about projects too.
Yes. So the project that's what we actually started with. But I
Okay.
realized I must also prepare for the exam too. So with the project, maybe we'll build 1 or 2 things. Then we focus to cover the exam areas. Then after I finish my exam prep with you, you can also start your own personal revision. Whilst maybe I build another extra project with you. This is like extra time, right? Or bonus one from me to you.
We appreciate. We want to be
But
part of
even
more
after the
projects.
exam, we can still get you. You can still get us some projects to do.
Sure. I can always assign you to groups and give you guys a project to work on in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can improve on our LinkedIn profile to really position us. That's very important to us.
Very important. Very
Yeah.
important. There's another AI I'm exploring now. Maybe if I finish exploring it, my concern is not even how it is very, very good and very powerful, but my concern has been about safety and security.
Yeah.
It's a very stubborn AI. So you can go and start reading about it. It's called OpenClaw.
Okay.
Open what?
OpenClaw. Claw,
Open
like,
Claw.
yeah,
CACLAU.
yeah,
AW.
AW. Yeah.
yeah. It is very good. It can be very useful, but it's also very, very, that's what the right word to use.
You
Should I
don't
say
think
stubborn?
anything you put there would end up.
It will expose you.
It can even sell you, but by the time you sleep and wake up, it has already sold you.
Okay, I think it's
Hey,
done now.
Okay, if it's done, click on copy.
Copy features at the top.
So you see, there's a copy there. You can just click on it directly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go back to your notepad down there. The notepad is down there. Down.
Okay, the notepad.
Yeah. And you get space, control V.
Okay.
Good. Okay, now you can close it. It is HTML code, CSS, JavaScript.
Close the
Don't worry.
notebook.
Yeah, no, I mean, you can save it. Do Control S to save.
Okay.
Control S to save. So at least we know that this file has been updated, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Let me Control
Let's,
S. Sometimes when I do Control S, I feel like it's not really saved.
yeah. Okay. So go to your downloads and let's preview and see what we have now. I think you already even opened it in your browser, right? You opened it in your browser for us, your website.
I opened.
Like you've already shown us how it looks like, right?
Yes.
Let's see whether it has changed.
So let's go to after here. Go to preview on ChatGPT.
Right now the code is even on his laptop, so let's just see directly.
Okay, so I'm closing the notebook and then opening it here.
So let's see. Yeah, you open it somewhere. So let's just check it. Yeah, double click and let's see. It's here.
Where?
It is right here. I can see it. Ghana Integrated Public.
No, that's not it.
That's not it.
No.
Wait, hold on. No. Please hold on. I'm coming. But this is the one I made you change. Oh.
Yes.
No, that's not it. This is a different thing.
Double click and let me show you. Double click.
No, this is actually a platform that this is a different thing
Oh,
altogether.
this is a different. Okay. Then it's not this one here.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
It's supposed to be my download. That's why I'm
Okay,
wondering.
let's go and check them.
Documents. Let me check documents and see.
Downloads rather.
Yeah, this is supposed to be my download. So I'm wondering.
Click the up arrow at the top there. Up arrow.
Okay. Oh, it's still in. Yeah.
So
Let
click on
me
the downloads
open it.
again. Yeah. Wait.
Okay. So here's the notebook.
So the website is the one below it.
Below it. Yeah.
Yeah. So should I open
Open
that?
that one. Yeah. Okay, so this is the improvement ChatGPT did.
But I see the first one beautiful than this. So
So this is where you say that you have to judge for yourself whether ChatGPT is did a better job or what Claude it was better. Okay, anyways, we have the website. Let's just move on. So we're gonna upload this file to S3 buckets.
Okay, this is very far.
Yes. So go to S3. Right now we know where this one is, so just upload it quickly. So create a new bucket, okay?
Okay.
Create a new bucket. So go to buckets, click on the buckets in the middle there at the top. Yeah. Create buckets. Click on the create bucket, the orange button.
the capital W.
No, click on the create buckets.
Create bucket is
Before he writes the name,
No,
he
don't
wanted
write
to
the
put the
name.
name.
No, just click on create bucket. Click on it.
Okay.
Good. Then scroll to give it a
Okay.
name. So type www.yourname.com. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, go down. So
Okay.
that block public access, remove it.
That what?
The block public access, remove it. Yes, and check this one.
Yeah.
Good. So go down and click on create bucket. That's all.
Okay, I acknowledge it's asking me to think. Okay.
Yes. I can then create it. We'll do this within 1 minute. We'll be done. Then the bucket policy. We need a bucket policy for this one also.
Okay. So we need to go to
So
ChatGPT.
yes. I think we already have it there. So let's just scroll and copy the old one. We'll just go and edit it. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, where is it? No, this is not it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this one.
The name.
Yeah, so when we put it in there, then we'll change the name.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so
go to
we
the
come to
permissions.
permissions.
Scroll down to policy. Yeah, edit the policy. Okay, paste it here. So the bucket name. So you can just copy the ARN as you wanted to copy previously. So scroll up a little and copy it. Okay, good. Okay.
It's done, right?
Yes. Save
That's it.
changes. Then one last step. Go back to the buckets again. Move them out to buckets. Good. Go click on properties. Okay, don't worry. You go to your bucket. Click on the bucket. The www dots. So the last step is to go and change something on the properties. That's all. Properties. Then scroll to the last thing at properties. Let's scroll down there.
The last one is the edit bucket ABAC.
Down,
No.
down.
Okay.
Okay, good. Here, static web hosting. So click on edit.
Enable.
And then enable, yeah. Scroll. Okay, now go up a little. What was the name of your website? Okay, we have not yet uploaded it, right? We've not yet uploaded it. Have we uploaded it?
No.
Good. So you just type, the name of the file that we will be uploading. Let's assume we'll call the file Daniel.html. So just put Daniel.html here. This is a very important step. The file name that you're using should correspond with this.
Oh,
Else
okay.
there'll be trouble.
Then I'll have to change the name.
Yes, we'll change the name before we upload. So go down and just save changes. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, now when you see the changes, look down there. Go down there. They will give you a URL. You see that URL over there? That is your website.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So copy it and put in a chat for us. When we finish uploading them, we'll check whether we can see it. So put in a chat for us on Zoom. Have you dropped it for us?
I'm doing that.
Okay. We are done. We just have to upload the file. That's all. Good. So now let's go to the buckets. They're going to upload the file. So open your buckets. www. Upload file.
The name.
You upload. Click on upload.
Okay.
Add file. supposed to be on downloads, right?
Yeah.
So right click to rename it. Right click. The machine is tired there.
Rename.
Rename, yeah. So Daniel.
So
Just say Daniel. It was Daniel, right?
yeah, Daniel ATM dot
No,
ATM.
no. Leave it at Daniel. Hit enter.
Okay.
The HTML is just an extension. Good. So now click open. Click the open there. Nice. Now scroll down and upload. Okay, when it's done, let's all try and access this. See what it to open. Does it open? If it opens,
Yes.
we are done. So you have your website. Congratulations.
Thank you. Woo.
Okay. So Daniel, at the beginning of the class, you thought AWS are not giving you access. Now you
Yes.
created a website on top of them.
So I don't know. I'm wondering. Yeah. So I
At
think
least
everything else
this
should work
looks,
now.
yeah. At least you see, it looks like a little close to the only thing that we have to give it a certificate, but I'll talk about that later. That's why you see the not secure thing. But at least
Yeah,
it
I
has
was
your
going
name
to
in the
ask
link,
about
right?
that.
There's a daniel.com there, which people get to, like, when somebody sees for the first time, they'll think, oh, okay, he has built a website. So this is like a free domain name AWS has given you.
But the links are not showing, though. If you put Kesa on the link, it doesn't.
And then we connect it to the backend. Okay, thank you. Any questions for me before we drop off? Any questions from anyone before we drop off?
Yeah, so what I was asking is that
Okay.
the website
Yes, please go ahead.
and the website that I think um subheadings, surveillance, intelligence, public health. I was thinking when we put the cursor on it, it will give us access to open them like a link.
Which one?
Epidemiology management. Then we have surveillance, intelligence, public health.
Please, can you click
I
on that
think
thing
the
for us?
chat
I can't see it.
I think the chat just made a front end, not a full stack website. So it's just a front end. That's why you can access like back end links.
Which of them? Are you talking about the backend link?
Yeah.
Okay. I think no. This is not the full stack. But
Yeah.
when we
Okay.
build our own full stack, we'll see how it works. So
Oh,
this is what
okay.
they call front end. So if there's a database connected to it, there's a back end logic. Then we can start using those things. But the links here will work. The links you see at the top here, they all work.
Yeah. The
You see, they are all
project, the
working.
systems, it directs you to where
But it
exactly.
is just so you are still on the front end.
Yeah.
Right? But some links which may need more logic than just front end, they may not work. Like this
So
email thing here, to send an inquiry, it may not go anywhere. Okay.
okay. So the other features on this, for instance, my email, if I want to put in my actual email, I would have to go and edit the code.
Yes. And even with that one, some of these email services, if you just write it in code, some email service providers may even block it from sending emails.
Okay.
Google like this, it may not even allow you to send emails to any Google email account. But the easiest thing you can do is to add a WhatsApp interface to it. WhatsApp, you can just add it easily.
WhatsApp.
Then people can WhatsApp you right from your website. So go and try that one out. So just tell the AI that you want to integrate WhatsApp.
Okay,
And
so
then give your
when I
WhatsApp
do
number
the
to
It's
there.
showing some information, contact information down there.
yeah, so that's what I'm saying. My LinkedIn, other.
Yeah, you can edit all of that. But what I am referring to right now is there's a button that will appear, like a floating WhatsApp. This is some WhatsApp, when they go there, you see the WhatsApp floating on the page. Once you
Okay.
click it, you start chatting with the person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. So that one is still front end. It doesn't even need any back end.
Okay.
So that when somebody wants to chat to you on WhatsApp, the person will just click on it. If they're on their phone, it's very easy. Directly, it opens a WhatsApp message with you. So go and try those few additions. Okay, team, thank you very much. I think we are all tired. We'll end here. Continue next week.
Sorry, so just a quick one. I was asking that if I go and then make changes, do I have to go to my S3 bucket, upload the changes, or there's a way you can do an automatic like update? Or you have to go through the process of uploading the new?
You have to go through the process. Let me just keep it
Oh,
simple.
okay.
Yeah. There's a way by which developers automate that process. We call CI/CD, but that's beyond the scope of this class. Yeah. But with
Okay.
S3, just upload it again. When you just finish, when you create a new one, a new file, the
Yeah.
same name and everything, you just upload it to go and overwrite the old one. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No stress.
It's been an
Okay,
interesting
team.
class. I'll be waiting
Sure,
for the
sure, sure.
recording.
Sure. I'll make it available as soon as possible.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Hey, Amos Power is here. Amos, are you here? That's one of my senior guys. So.
I see.
And it's quiet
Amos,
here.
just that my small boy is disturbing, so I don't
He's
want
disturbing you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
Senior
team,
Amos,
thank you
you
so
are
much.
quiet.
He's quiet.
Oh yeah, I'll be fine.
You are a senior, you are quiet.
Okay, team, thank you so much. Hopefully next week we'll continue.